Good morning. One more wonderful day to start with. What is so wonderful about the mornings is that it comes in on a regular routine every day, for sure. And the best part for this is, we can actually change our direction. We can change what we manifest. We can change how we perceive in life what we want. Our thoughts, our dreams can be given one more chance to come in. That is how it basically functions. It is said that how you actually perceive yourself. Now, you can perceive yourself to be miserable. You can perceive yourself to be a very, very happy person. Or you can perceive yourself to be successful. The choice is always there. But what happens is how you are looking as far as the life is concerned. The problem is we want something, but we do not even think on that particular line of action. And that is what the problem is. The problem is that we are unable to even think in that particular direction right. We are unable to think positive to our dreams, our aspirations, our goals. And then we keep on creeping about small things. Now, how do you get this mind into thinking positive? Into thinking, okay, yes, it is practically possible to achieve whatever is there in your mind. Let me tell you one wonderful story. In the olden days, while there was one day for the whole market to come in, it was a market day. Maybe say it was a Sunday, wherein you could practically get everything. And there was a man who was actually having tubs filled with different colors. Now that colors are the one which could dye the cloth. So what was being done was that what was done was, if you would take any cloth to the person and if you would dip, that was the color you were ready to get. Suppose you wanted yellow, okay, he used to dip into that yellow color tub and he used to give yellow color on that particular cloth. So on and so forth. Different colors had different bowls in that. Now one day, somewhere, okay, one person came with a single bowl and he could put in whatever color you wanted. Suppose you wanted red color, he would have put it in that tub and the color of the cloth would have been red. Suppose you say, no, I want green color, he would put it in the same tub and you were given green color. Now think about it. At one place, you have different bowls kept, one with yellow, red, green, all that. Okay. And at one place, you have one bowl with nothing. But it could give you whatever color you wanted. Now, the same thing can be applied to our mind. Now, we don't have different bowls, but we have that same one color, means which can be manifested into different colors as we can pull it out from that mind. And that is what the mind is all about. What you look at it, how you perceive, how you think, and that makes a difference. That makes a difference to how we are looking at the things. If we look at the things positively, if we look at the things negatively. Now everything is coming out of this particular bowl, which does not have any color, but you can manifest it to any given. So this is your thought. Now if you come out with a negative, you get negative thoughts. If you come out with a positive, it will give you positive thoughts. So the mind is not having different colors, separate bowls. It is a single unit, which is, I would say, having no colors. But as we think, whatever we are thinking, that is getting manifested. Now, if you think positive, it is going to be a positive thinking. Just think about it. When we say, thank you, God, for everything what we have received till day, and this day would be the best day of my life. Now, are you not starting with a very positive note? Waking up early morning, starting with a positive note, and whatever you are dreaming is coming out of this bowl in a wonderful manner. So if you are positive, if you look at life into a positive way, then it becomes much more easier for life to run around. And that is how we need to train this mind. We need to train this mind to come out with only good thoughts, only positive thoughts. Okay, it actually helps you in your routine of whatever you are doing. Okay, and that makes hell of a lot of difference to our day-to-day activity. And when the day-to-day activity changes, it keeps on improving, and slowly and steadily the dream of where we want to go becomes a reality. And that is the truth of life. So guys, important that you look at this as an empty ball, which you are the one who thought process is the one which is going to give you that different colors. Now, one more point in this particular understanding. When you sit in a bus, Who is driving the bus to the destination? Someone else is driving the bus to a destination. Now there can be two things. Either you sit in the bus which is going to that particular destination, then you are going to reach that particular destination based on the driver. Now you cannot drive. The driver who is driving the bus can drive rough, can drive smooth, but you are not the driver of that particular bus. Or you be the driver of the bus. You be the driver of the bus and take control of your own destination. The choice is always yours. So remember this. There can be number of balls with different colors, and you will have to pick that particular colors. Or you can have one single ball which can give you different colors. But the choice is in your head, in your mind. So if you can control your mind, if you can give a positive, vibrant to the surrounding, if you can control two things, your destination, and you can drive towards that destination. Morning routines are one of them. Now, I came to understand that when you start a particular journey, okay, you technically get lost in what to do and what not to do. And then that overwhelming factors come into picture. Oh my God, I cannot do this. There is too much of work to be done. I cannot do this. And this actually happens. So for this reason, I have specifically told you to just do a 10 minutes of meditation. Just sit quietly and don't think about anything. Yes, even when you try not to think, the thinking is going to continue, because that is how the mind is actually working. Even during your sleep, your mind is working. It is dreaming about something. And when you wake up, oh my God, I was dreaming this. Oh, good. Or it is bad. Oh my God, I dreamt very bad about something. So your mind keeps on functioning 24/7. Now, how do you control that? It is by just focusing on only one thing. It could be anything, a candlelight. It could be your God. It could be one single song. It could be anything. So I am not going to go into that spiritual side of the game, but definitely we need to control our mind. And the best way I have understood is just sit calmly and think about your breath going in and going out, going in and going out. That is going to help you just stable the mind for maybe 30 seconds, maybe 1 minute. And slowly and steadily, you need to improve on that. Okay. So control your mind, and you can control your destination. You can control your dreams. In fact, you can walk, you can run towards that dream, whatever you are looking at. And that positiveness has to remain with us. Like I said yesterday, positiveness is there, but please ensure that you are in the right train. You want to go to Borivali from Dadar, you cannot catch Kalyan ka train. Otherwise, you are going in the wrong direction. You are on the journey, but the direction itself is wrong. And that is why you need to understand how we can go about it. Okay, so I leave the thought to you. Wonderful to see once again after a Sunday sleeping aram se, not waking up early morning, but coming back the next day with a bang. So let me thank Angelo, Harshal, Kunal, Nitin, Tarun, and Vardhan ji for coming in this early morning routines. I hope today's uh, chit chat, I can say, was and is going to help you in looking at life in a different format. Be positive, be happy, very important. Now, there are some things which are going to happen, irrespective of whatever you are thinking. It's a Murphy law. जो होने वाला है वो होके रहेगा. But how you are going to react to that is going to change the way you are going to function in the next moment. कल सुबह को मार्केट ड्रॉप डाउन ही स्टार्ट हो गया. Now the journey always continues most of the time. Okay, and the journey continued, waiting for some time, and then again the journey continued, and we say, oh my god, now what? Correct. So instead of thinking, oh my god, now what, think what we have learned and what the candles are telling you. If the journey is going to continue, you need to follow it rather than thinking abhi kya karna hai. Simple as that. And that is how the markets are going to be. So guys, thank you very much for joining me in this morning chit chat. I hope to see you once again tomorrow morning 6 o'clock. Take care, corona se bachna, and be happy, yaar. And like I said, हाथ ऊपर करो and ऐसे करो. Pat yourself. Say, Mayur, today you have conquered the first part of the day. So pat yourself. Do it. Please do it. करो करो यार. Don't feel shy. आजू बाजू में कोई होगा तो भी don't worry. You know, you are pampering yourself. So ऐसे हाथ ऊपर करो and do this. Mayur, say your name and say, boss, you have done a wonderful job today morning. Today is going to be a fantastic day. Okay, मार्केट को जो करना है करने दे, मैं उसके पीछे रहेगा, and I am going to make money on this. Simple as that. Love you all. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow morning 6 o'clock with chit chat. Thank you.